Okay, let's see what the Zippo truck dropped off today. Now this one came in the normal black box by Zippo, and the label on this one is, all it says is Filigree, plain black box, nothing special about it. And as you can see, it's on a high polish case and it has a little bit of filigree work on it. I think it's just a sticker on there. I don't think it's engraving. But it's not really the best Zippo I have. But it will find a place in my collection somewhere. Lights up nice. And this one was made in J of 13. I think that's October. Of course, it was made in Bradford, PA. Got a good sound. Real slippery. So that will go somewhere in my collection. Not bad, but that high polished surface will really take scratches and fingerprints. And yes, I think it deserves a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.